Hey, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at my favorite trade setup. This is Pin Bar. Pin Bar is one of the easiest trade setups to trade, in my opinion, because we are only looking at one candlestick. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what a pin bar looks like and how do we trade this setup effectively. We're looking at a bearish pin bar trade setup. This is pound yen 1 hour chart. A bearish pin bar trade setup is a single candlestick like this. So it has a large tail or wick on the top and a small candle body, and we want this candle body to be red. So this is our bearish pin bar trade setup here. It's simple, one candlestick trade setup and really easy to identify. This is why it's one of my favorites as well. So once we see this trade setup here, usually we're looking for it at a strong support and resistance area, and as we can see, I've drawn my support resistance here, and price has reacted to this level multiple times. So we know that this is a good level for us to look for a trade setup. And once we see the pin bar here, it's a great opportunity to get into a trade. Now, a bearish pin bar is a bearish reversal signal. So now we're looking for price to drop. So in this case, once the candle closes here, we can take our entry short. So this is where we will enter our trade short. The stop can go on the other side of the pin here. And now we are looking for price to drop here. So we stay with the trade as price is going lower. And then we see that we come into our support level here and we get this big bullish candle close here. So this is a good place for us to exit the trade because we are into our next level of support and now price could pull back. So we exit the trade here. From entry to exit here, we get 80 pips in our trade. So just to recap, a bearish pin bar trade setup is a single candlestick trade setup with a large wick and a small candle body. And this is a bearish reversal signal. So we're looking for price to drop. We enter the trade short at the close of this pin bar. And now we are looking for price to drop. And we stay with the trade as price comes down. Once we see the price comes into our support level here and we get a bullish candle close, this is an indication that price could pull back. So we can exit the trade here. From entry to exit here, we get 80 pips in our trade. So our profit is 80 pips or $800 if trading one standard lot. If you want to learn how to trade price action, I have created a free checklist for you. Please click on the link below and you can download this free resource. And please feel free to share this video with your friends. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.